Welcome to my honest review of Keeper, the password manager that's been gaining traction for its tight security and robust features. Right from the start, the user interface stands out. It's clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate even for someone new to password managers. Once you log in, you're greeted with a dashboard that shows your stored credentials, folders for organizing them, and additional features like secure file storage and identity protection. Setting up Keeper is pretty straightforward. After creating your master password, you can enable biometric login, which makes access a breeze on mobile. I appreciated the fact that Keeper doesn't store your master password anywhere, not on your device, not on their servers. That's zero-knowledge architecture, and it really boosts the trust factor. As I dug deeper, I explored how Keeper handles password importing. Whether you're moving from Chrome, LastPass, or another manager, it offers a bulk import feature. However, I did experience a few hiccups when trying to import from a CSV file. The formatting needed to be just right or the process failed without clear feedback. That could be improved. The password generator is solid, letting you customize the length, characters, and complexity. You can create secure passwords on the fly, and Keeper will save them automatically into the vault. One thing to note though, while Keeper offers a browser extension for most major browsers, I noticed occasional syncing delays between the desktop app and the browser extension. Now let's talk about Keeper security audits. This feature scans your saved passwords and flags weak or reused ones. It's a huge plus if you're trying to clean up your digital security. They also have a feature called Breach Watch that alerts you if your credentials appear in a data breach. It's a premium feature, but it's worth having. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Keeper also supports secure file storage. You can upload sensitive documents and store them in your encrypted vault. It's useful for keeping things like passports, IDs, or confidential business documents in one place. That said, the storage space on the free plan is quite limited, and you'll need a paid subscription to really benefit from it. One downside I noticed is that the mobile app can feel a bit clunky when switching between entries or using autofill. Sometimes it takes a moment to load credentials, which slows down the login process on other apps. Still, the app is generally reliable, and the facial recognition or fingerprint login adds convenience. Keeper is big on family and team plans. If you're managing multiple users, their business-oriented features, like delegated admin, shared folders, and role-based access make collaboration secure and efficient. It's not just for individuals. It scales well for small businesses or teams looking to centralize credential management. Customer support is responsive via live chat and email, but don't expect much from the knowledge base. It feels outdated and lacks depth for troubleshooting complex issues. Overall, Keeper is one of the more secure password managers out there. It has powerful features and strong encryption, but it's not perfect. The import process could be smoother, and the free plan is quite limited compared to competitors. Still, if security and advanced control are your top priorities, Keeper is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews.